Hello and welcome to this video on how to use the Cleared for Work website for LAHC students. Today we'll be using a mobile device with the Chrome browser, but you can also use a desktop computer. Should you encounter any issues with the site, try using the Chrome browser on a mobile or desktop computer. First, check your email for a personalized link to your Cleared for Work profile. Click on or copy and paste the link into your web browser address bar. If this is your first time logging in, tap the Read and Accept Disclaimer button, then tap on I accept after your review. Now tap the Complete Your Personal Information button and enter in your information. Then tap Save. You are now ready to fill out the Symptoms Check questionnaire. Tap on Check Your Symptoms and answer the questions about your specific personal health. And finally, answer the question about how many days you have had no symptoms and submit. Now tap on Go to Home Screen. You can click on the Show Access Pass to bring up the QR code. You will use this code at any of the scanning stations located in the designated areas of the campus. Now we are going to enter in our vaccination data. Tap on Enter Your Vaccination Data and choose one of the three options. Photo Library if you already have the picture of your vaccination card in your camera roll or gallery. Choose File if the photo or document is stored somewhere else on your device. In this example, we will take a photo. Once you've taken the photo, tap on Use Photo at the bottom right and it will upload. Choose the vaccination vendor and the dates you received your dosages, matching what's on the vaccination card. Then click on Add and OK after your document was submitted successfully. Now tap on Book On-Site COVID Test and then tap on Upload Your Insurance Card. If you don't have an insurance card, write a note that says, I don't have one, and upload that as a photo. Take the photo and tap on Use Photo at the bottom right. Tap on OK, and now book a location, day, and time for your COVID test appointment. If you need to change your appointment, you can tap on the trash can to delete and make another appointment. You will be asked to take a pre-test survey. Tap on the button and answer the questions regarding your personal health and tap on Submit. That concludes this video tutorial. Thanks for watching.